we just had new tires put on our truck, but this one's got a slow leak, even brand new, so I don't know if they didn't get the rim quite clean or what, but it looks like that back one's a little low too, so we're gonna put some air in these tires before we go get that tire off the grinder. So here's the flat tire. Just gonna look and see what we need to jack it up here. I think just a floor jack will work. That in the back of the truck here. See if this will fit under there, maybe not. Yep, looks like it will. Hopefully we can get by with just putting a tube in that tire. Looks pretty good. We'll grab the impact and some sockets. .13/16. She'll grab some spray and spray them quick with some WD-40 or something if I got whatever I got in the truck. Pretty standard 6-bolt. Oh, that tire doesn't look like an 11L15 or 11L16, which are kind of the two general sizes we use. 10-15, huh? Well, hopefully they can put a tube in it. The tire actually looks pretty good. Let's just have a slow leak somewhere. A lot of tread on it anyway. Alright, so we got a new tube here in the tire. And they charged us $45, I think, they just put a new tube in it for us. So that's good. Better than $200 for a new tire. This grinder mixer goes between here and the bin about 100 feet its whole life back and forth, so it's really doesn't need excellent tires on it, but it does have quite a bit of weight on it when it's loaded. Gotta jack her up a little bit more here. wasn't good. Yeah, so that I had a block under there, but it came off. So we're gonna block it up and then rejack it. Oof. Never know what's gonna happen. That's why you stay out from underneath stuff like that. Actually wedged it all up in there. Let's try this again. Now we're too high. Oh well. We can set it up on there. At least it has the... This is the one with the studs sticking out. It's a little bit easier to get the everything lined up. As I say that, I'm struggling with it. There we go. There we go. A few of them started here. There we go. Those are the impact. There we go. All set. Set her down. And we should be put our tools away and blocks away, and we should be back in business. There we go. Till our next flat tire. Keep everything in the truck. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button below. And if you want to see more videos like this come up in your feed, please subscribe to our channel. And if you want to find out when our next video comes out every week, hit that notification bell below, and that'll send you a notification when our next video comes out, which we try to send them out every week. Thanks a lot for learning more about our farm, and we sure appreciate it.